Given that almost nothing's changed in the camera's imaging pipeline from the D5300, it's unsurprising that the image quality looks about the same. I did find the exposures better this time, though I can't directly compare because we've changed our testing methodology since then. Its photos are sharp with good color, although a little on the cool, blue side, and produces excellent JPEG images in low to very low light up through ISO 3200. Higher than that and you lose detail in the color shifts, but depending upon your needs and the scene they may still be usable. You can fix or improve photos quite a bit by shooting RAW when it comes to bringing out highlight or shadow detail or making photos a little bit sharper, though the trade-off is adding some grain. The video quality is very good, certainly better than average for your sports and vacation shots. If you want to shoot more serious video, Nikon includes a flat picture profile so that you can preserve the otherwise clipped bright and dark areas. One significant difference between my evaluation units of the D5300 and D5500 is the lens. The D5300 had a much better, albeit a lot bigger and more expensive, 18-140mm f3.5 to 5.6 lens. For the D5500, Nikon created its primary kit with the 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 II lens, $850, 720 pounds, $1,000, a lighter, smaller, collapsible model that makes the system feel a lot lighter, but that also feels like a real step down.